stunning golf course home in Lakeland Village. All on one level, this is the home you have been hoping to find. A gorgeous covered entry and custom 8-foot oak door welcomes your guests. The front hall leads to the den on the right and then on to the great room. Features such as 9-foot ceilings and stunning hardwoods greet you at the door. Custom cabinetry lines the den, the 2 windows allow for an abundance of light. This spacious great room has so many features. Vaulted 13-foot ceilings, a beautiful fireplace with a hand-forged screen and of course, spectacular views. This view shows an expanse of gleaming hardwood flooring, and gives you a look back towards the front hall and the den.